Good afternoon. Welcome to Healthcare Pharmacy. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm not feeling very well. I think I have a cold and a mild fever.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you been feeling this way?
Since last night, I started sneezing, and this morning I woke up with a sore throat and headache.
I see. Do you also have a cough or body aches?
Yes, I have a dry cough and some body pain.
Okay, let me ask you a few questions before I suggest any medicine. Do you have any allergies to medication?
No, I don't have any known allergies.
That's good. Are you currently taking any other medicines?
No, I'm not taking anything right now.
All right. It sounds like you have common cold symptoms with a mild fever. I can suggest a paracetamol tablet for the fever and body aches, and an antihistamine for sneezing and runny nose. For the cough, you can take a cough syrup. That sounds helpful. How often should I take the paracetamol? You can take 1 tablet every 6 hours if you have a fever, but do not exceed 4 tablets in 24 hours.
Understood. And what about the antihistamine?
Take 1 tablet at night after dinner. It may cause a little drowsiness, so it's better to take it before sleeping.
Oh, I see. I have online classes in the morning. Will it make me very sleepy?
It might make you slightly sleepy, but most people feel fine by morning. If you feel too drowsy, let me know next time, and I can suggest a non-drowsy option. Thank you. That's very considerate. You're welcome. Also, for your sore throat, you can use throat lozenges. They will help soothe the irritation. That would be great. My throat hurts when I swallow. I understand. Try to drink warm water and avoid cold drinks for a few days. Sure. Should I take antibiotics? Not necessarily. Most common colds are caused by viruses, and antibiotics don't work against viruses. If your symptoms get worse or last more than 5 days, you should consult a doctor. That makes sense. I didn't know antibiotics don't work for viral infections. Yes, many people misunderstand that. It's important to use antibiotics only when prescribed by a doctor. Thank you for explaining. By the way, how much will all these medicines cost? Let me check. The paracetamol is $3, the antihistamine is $4, the cough syrup is $6, and the lozenges are $2. So the total is $15. Okay, that's reasonable. I'll take them. Would you like to pay by cash or card? I'll pay by card. Sure. Please insert your card here and enter your PIN. Done. Thank you. Here is your receipt and your medicines. I've written the dosage instructions on the packet for you. Thank you so much. That's very helpful. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with? Actually, yes. Do you have vitamin C supplements? I heard they help boost immunity. Yes, we do. We have vitamin C tablets and effervescent tablets. Which one would you prefer? What's the difference? The regular tablets are swallowed with water, while the effervescent tablets dissolve in a glass of water and taste like orange.
The effervescent one sounds better.
Great choice. You can take 1 tablet daily after a meal.
Perfect. I'll take 1 pack.
All right. That will be an additional $5.
No problem.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thanks again. You've been very kind and informative.
It's my pleasure. I hope you feel better soon.
I hope so too. If my fever doesn't go down, should I see a doctor?
Yes, if your fever goes above 101 degrees Fahrenheit or lasts more than 3 days, please consult a doctor immediately.
Okay, I will.
Also, make sure to get plenty of rest and eat nutritious food.
I'll try. It's hard to rest with assignments and exams coming up.
I understand, but your health is more important. Try to manage your schedule and get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep.
You're right. I'll take care of myself.
Good, and remember to drink plenty of fluids.
I will.
Thank you for all the advice. You're welcome. That's what I'm here for.
By the way, do you work here every day?
Yes, except Friday. I've been working here for 3 years now.
That's great. You seem very experienced.
Thank you. I try my best to help customers properly.
You're doing a great job.
That's very kind of you to say. Well, I should get going now. All right, take care of yourself and follow the instructions carefully.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Get well soon. Good evening. Welcome to City Care Pharmacy. How may I assist you today?
Good evening. I need some medicine for stomach pain.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe the pain? Is it sharp, dull, or burning?
It's more like a burning sensation in my upper stomach.
I see. How long have you been feeling this pain?
For the past 2 days. It usually gets worse after I eat spicy food.
That sounds like acidity or gastric irritation. Do you also feel nausea or bloating?
Yes, I feel a bit bloated and sometimes I feel like vomiting.
Okay, don't worry, it's quite common. Are you taking any regular medications?
No, I'm not taking any regular medicine.
Do you have any medical conditions like ulcers or liver problems?
No, nothing like that.
All right. I can suggest an antacid syrup for quick relief and a tablet that reduces stomach acid production. That sounds good. How should I take them? Take 2 teaspoons of the antacid syrup after meals 3 times a day, and take 1 tablet in the morning before breakfast for 5 days. Should I avoid any specific food? Yes, avoid spicy, oily, and fried food. Also, try not to drink too much coffee or soda. I drink coffee twice a day. Is that too much? It might increase acidity. Try reducing it to once a day, at least for a few days.
Okay, I'll try.
Also, don't skip meals. Eat small portions at regular intervals. Actually, I sometimes skip breakfast because I wake up late. That can also cause acidity. Your stomach produces acid even if you don't eat, so skipping meals can make it worse. I didn't know that. Thank you for explaining. You're welcome. Do you want tablets or capsules for the acid reducer? Which one works faster? Both work effectively, but capsules are usually easier to swallow. Then I'll take the capsules. Sure. Do you prefer a 5-day course or a 10-day course? I'll start with 5 days. That's fine. If your symptoms continue after 5 days, please consult a doctor. I will. How much will it cost? The antacid syrup is $7 and the capsule strip is $8, so the total is $15. All right, here's the cash. Thank you. Here's your change and the receipt. Thanks. By the way, do you have any digestive enzyme tablets? Yes, we do. They help with indigestion and bloating. Should I take them as well? You can take 1 tablet after heavy meals if you feel discomfort, but it's optional for now. Okay, I'll take 1 strip just in case. No problem. That will be an additional $4. Sure. Here you go. I've written the instructions on the back of the packet.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
It's my duty. Is this your first time having this problem?
No, it happened once before during exam time.
Stress can also cause stomach issues.
Really? I've been under a lot of stress lately.
Try to manage stress by exercising or practicing relaxation techniques.
I don't really exercise much.
Even a 20-minute walk every day can make a difference.
That sounds doable.
Also, drink plenty of water throughout the day.
I usually forget to drink water.
Try setting reminders on your phone.
That's a good idea.
And avoid lying down immediately after eating.
I often lie down after dinner while watching videos.
That can worsen acidity. Wait at least 2 hours before lying down.
I'll remember that.
Good. If you experience severe pain, black stool, or continuous vomiting, seek medical help immediately.
Okay, I will.
Do you need anything else? Maybe oral rehydration salts or probiotics?
What are probiotics for?
They help maintain healthy gut bacteria and improve digestion.
That sounds useful. I'll take a small pack.
Sure, take 1 capsule daily after lunch.
Got it.
By the way, try to eat more fruits and vegetables.
I don't eat many vegetables, to be honest.
Try adding salad to your meals. It helps digestion.
I'll try to improve my diet.
That's good to hear.
You seem very knowledgeable about health.
Thank you. I studied pharmacy and have been working here for 4 years.
That's impressive.
I enjoy helping people feel better.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you. That means a lot.
I hope this medicine works quickly.
I hope so too. Follow the instructions carefully.
I will. If I don't feel better, I'll come back.
Of course, you're always welcome.
Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening.